guys, I am mad. Yeah. My husband is going to work.
I need to actually do that then.
Huh?
Really soon.
Let's have some bacon. My husband made some bacon. Good. My breakfast is muffin and coffee. And this now, it's already 11 o'clock. Ah! It's loud. Anyway, my husband is still not here yet.
Gigantic metamorphic slate dead ahead! Big run!
I gotta punch you in the face.
Punch yourself. Punch yourself.
Hey, check it out! Roman 9-10. Oh, and there's Lucky.
Ow, ow, why are you poking me in the eye?
A poke in your eyes. Poke your eyes. I have tube.
Small problem.
I found both of them. 1, 2.
Oh no, there are dimples here too.
Maybe we can put you on something. Yeah. We just need a magic word.
Yeah, I don't know where's my hubby. Hold on. Hi, Dimples. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Hungry. Please welcome from Hungary. What are you talking, Thomas?
What?
You said higher. You're answering?
I can't hear you.
Did you answer something in the TV? You said higher.
No, tires.
Our tires.
I'm gonna kick it. I really did kick it.
Can we do karate with one hand? This hand, the left hand is not good enough with the right hand. So we do karate. You do everything. You do kick me. You do push. I don't like this. I don't like that. No, not that. That's hurt.
Your hired captain, soy Dora.
Not the eyes, please.
Who's Capitana Malengua?
I don't, Thomas, you don't even understand that. It's Spanish. You understand Spanish now? I do like this.
I don't like this job.
Change it. In banana boot. Baba banana boot.
Wait.
Ow! That's hurt.
You don't get to use me. You don't get to use me.
Give me your armpits. Give me your foot. Snake.
I can come at your face.
Go ahead, if you can. You did punch your own self. You did punch your own. I'm good with that. Like.
I hurt my butt.
Oh, where did you hit it?
My butt's sore.
My name is Irina Wand, and I live in Seattle, Washington.
I'm tickle your feet. Go ahead.
Before I did
Oh.
I was working and to do a job. See you officially. I decided to
You can. Okay, kick it. Kick it. Kick it.
I work for Pinay.
Hey, you know what? You sweet.
Out of her to
Mommy,
where she stuck it out.
Where are they? Where's Uncle Tommy?
Uncle Tommy?
No. What are you afraid of? I just do like this. Look, like that, and there's a lot of dust. And what are you afraid of?
Take it off.
Go ahead, sit.
I want you to take it off. I can't see.
No,
What is it anyway?
this is a thing.
Oh,
Thomas, look, there's more. Thomas, look.
it's string.
Yeah.
Not grass.
It's warm. It's a long worm. Go ahead. Oh, that's nice car. Look at that. I want to have that car. What is that? Oh, Mini Cooper. That's a Mini Cooper. You're not tall enough. Go ahead. Sit. Sit.
I'm sitting on my. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I got 11 spaces.
Okay.
1.
You can go wherever.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You said 11.
11.
Me
So
too.
now
May?
you roll, and the number that you get, you have to move that many spaces.
He's teaching me. I don't know how to play this. Okay, now I have to do like this.
Yeah, you have to roll it and
Okay.
throw it on the board.
How about like that?
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
11.
8, 9, 10, 11. So you
Okay.
go where I am. Oh, and
what is
this
that?
bus means you go to free parking. Then I move 9 spaces.
Are you sure?
1. Yes!
Are you
It
sure?
does! And then I go there. Oh, and when you land on this, you have to go in jail. If you're in jail, you go there. If you're on, if you get 10 when you're at go, you're just in
Okay,
jail.
you just teach me, okay? Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5, 6. And then what is that?
This one's roll again.
Oh.
Bus. Little bus.
6.
My turn.
And then how this work? These cards.
Oh, if you land on, this is the chance card. So if you
Okay.
land on the question mark,
Okay.
you take this card. But if you land on that, you
Okay.
take that card.
Do it
1,
again. Do it
2,
again.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What is that?
Oh, if you
Park
land,
place.
if
Okay.
you land on this, you have to pay $100.
I don't have $100.
Oh, and when you pass here, you collect $200.
If I pass here,
Yeah.
I collect 200.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, you have to look at it.
What happened?
Yeah.
Do what the park
Advance to go, collect $200.
So you move to the go spot and you collect your $200.
So what I'm gonna do?
Bank pays you $200.
Okay.
Except you're supposed to be using that black thing so the money is sorted instead of having to filter through it like that.
No.
But it's
Give me $200. And then what I'm gonna do with this?
Eventually you buy hotels. The more things you have on the property, you buy properties, and the more things you have on it, the more they have to pay every time they land on it.
Hey, the two of you. Nah.
So if they land on your property, they have
The
to
two
pay,
cats are
they have to
fighting.
pay you for rent on your property.
Okay, this is mine now. What I'm gonna do with this?
just keep
If you put
it.
houses and hotels on your property, they have to pay you more. If you own a railroad, they have to pay you for the railroad's the best to own. And the more of them you own, the more they have to pay you. Like if you own all the railroads, they pay you more and more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I collect $200.
Are you sure?
Every time
Yes!
Yes!
I passed it.
What's the red dice for?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What is this here?
Piano Railroad. Buy it.
No.
Buy it.
No, I don't have 200.
Yes, you do. Buy it.
No, I
Buy
want
it.
my money.
Buy
to
it.
be-
I'm telling
Okay,
you, buy
okay.
it.
Okay, buy it. Okay, here, give me the railroad.
Okay, I'll find a railroad for you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So now you get 200? Thomas?
Yeah, I get 200. 2, 3.
You have 200 again. No, it's not. You just pass here. You're here before, so you're good.
Yeah.
Flip-flops. It's very hot, Thomas, inside.
Oh.
Okay, get in. Hi guys, we're going to have dinner outside. Portofino in City Island. We're gonna. So I guess I'll see you later. Hold on. My husband's outside. I'm going to look for him.
The other one.
He's here. We have company, and he's here, and we're going. Bye, guys.
Hey, I tell you what, the cat's having lobster. You already told him that.
Are you drunk?
I am not drunk. The cat's got steak too. I'll take some steak.
I'm drunk.
I am not drunk. I'm the driver, remember?
No, my mother-in-law is drunk. You can see her. And my cousin, I'm sure you can see his head. No, you can't.
I can't.
Can't see the glare? What?
No, his head.
Oh,
Crappy
now I
light.
can see. Whoa. Well, yeah,
Hey, wait.
we probably have told you.
Do it again.
Hey, Tommy, you know
Hi, guys.
my crazy boss sent us 6 emails.
Are you freaking kidding while we were at dinner?
Yep.
6 emails?
You're
Yep.
kidding me. Oh my God.
I haven't even.
Is this the one you don't like?
Yeah,
Aye.
she's a nut job.
That's why I told the guy I work with, he's like, you know, because I can see we really butt heads on. Let me tell you about Friday. You know, besides the fight we had. Let me tell you something.
We're both drunk, guys, and we're walking right now. Look at the video.
You're taking our picture.
No,
And we're both going from side to side.
yeah, we're both drunk and we're holding each other.
I don't want this for you. I'm going to take that as a baby twice a day.
And the guys who are ahead of us, when they don't see us behind us, they'll come looking for us. We're on the floor, getting hysterical, laughing.
Yeah.
Let's go wait here. You can wait here first.
I'm taking video the 2 drunk lady and then holding each other.
Too much wine. It wasn't even hard liquor, it was wine.
Yeah, it's just me. 3 glasses of wine, I'm already like crazy drunk.
Well, I can usually take it, but tonight, boy, it hit me. I could tell.
My mother-in-law is drunk. She's drunk.
Mother-in-law and daughter-in-law both drunk, trying to walk to the parking lot. Trying is the clue word.
It take us 1 year to go be in the car.
Yeah, maybe we better wait for them. We'll lean up against one of these cars and wait for them.
Yeah. I guess where are we going to wait?
Yeah.
No, we can't. We have to keep going. Yeah.
We'll
Because
stop
they
over.
can't. No. Okay, we stop over here.
Yeah, we'll stop over here and wait for them. At least the cars won't let us fall.
Look, she keep laughing because she's drunk.
Oh God. out like this in a long time.
And don't cook it. It's a big restaurant.
Yeah.
It's like
Cookie?
that. Yeah, don't cook
Yeah,
it.
it goes all the way
Like,
around.
they have a bar over right here, and they have a restaurant.
Yeah. And
It's
then
a
there's
big
an
one.
entrance on the other side. As we walked by, there was an entrance over there.
Yeah, we're in the parking lot right now, and that's Dan Cookie from this restaurant. All the food is from where is it one? The food in the cookie from Puerto Rico.
Cookie.
Yeah, Don Cookie. It's
Cookie is that little tiny little frog.
it's a really big restaurant. Look, it's long. It's nice. It's a frog.
Yeah, it's a little tiny little frog, and I have a record of the frog. It goes cookie, cookie.
Ah, that's why it's Don Cookie.
And they call it a cookie. And you don't see them. You rarely see them. You hear them, but you don't
They're
see
green color.
them. Yeah.
Oh, I saw that green. They're very
Oh my God.
yeah. They're
Somebody
in the-
else is drunk.
Yeah, somebody right there in the bar drinking. That's my husband picking us up here in the parking lot.
Goodbye. Give us a ride. We're
Yeah.
hitching a ride. That's something. You're swaying as much as I am.
Yeah.
I don't know who's holding who up.
You're holding me.
But when I go that way, you go this way. And we support each other.
She's constantly explaining it. Like, because she has her own little YouTube page.
We're debating who's holding who up walking.
Now she can bend her knee.
I got in, MaryAnn. How
Okay,
about you?
now. Hi guys, we're home. And as usual, I'm drunk. I'm drunk. And yeah, as you can see, me and mother-in-law are the most drunk of the four of us. Yes? What? Hold them pubs? Okay. You want me to give some the...
Me, he waits till I walk away. I don't care. I'll give it to him. I just feed you.
I'm taking. Where are you going, Hobbs? The cat are so
You
lucky.
can try and give it to Dimples, but
They got
maybe she'll eat it for you. She wouldn't eat it for me.
they got the what is this one?
Lobster.
Lobster. My husband don't eat his lobster just to bring it home for the cat.
She's. And my baby was starved.
And yeah, I'm drunk. Oh. Anyway, guys, we're home and it's already right now. I supposedly see that clock right there, but I can see it. I can see the clock. My eyes is blurry. 10. I can see it. It's 10 or 4 o'clock already at night. And we're going to bed soon. Anyway, I will edit this video tomorrow. Thank you to my husband who pay all this. We're really having fun. We have dinner in City Island and Portofino. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you so much. All the people who subscribe in my channel, thank you guys for subscribing. And if you're not subscribed yet, please click subscribe. And thank you guys for watching my video. Did you hear that? My cat is crying. Thank you guys. Good night. Good night, guys. Good night. It's supposedly like this. I always do like this. But this one is good night, guys. Or